This is Blood of Jesus Herbal drink. It is highly recommended to treat anemia. It is very good. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. This leaf you are seeing here is very powerful. It's not just an ordinary leaf. If you know someone suffering from anemia, severe anemia, please recommend this leaf. It is called Justicia Carnea, popularly known as Blood of Jesus leaves. In my native language, we call it Jesus. Yes, we call it Jesus, meaning blood of Jesus. Justicia Carnea is very rich. Is very rich. Is very good for your health. This leaf contains vitamin A, vitamin B1, B12, B6, B9, vitamin C, and E. The highest concentration of this leaf is vitamin C. It's also rich in calcium and iron. It is very good. The leaf will help to boost your blood production by helping the red blood cells to reproduce. You can also use this leaf after your menstrual flow, after your monthly menstrual flow. You can also use it. Yes, I'm going to show you how to use this leaf. Please watch this video till the end. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like, and share for others. You may help someone by sharing this video. Okay, now I'm going to plug the leaf. Yes, as you can see in the video, I'm plugging the leaf. After plugging like this, I'm going to wash it thoroughly. You have to wash it very well. I use salt to wash my own. Keep watching the video. After washing the leaves, I'm going to crush it with my blender, or you can as well use your mortar and pestle to crush it. Then I will transfer it to a clean bowl, add a clean water, and then mix it very well. If you leave this for some time, the color is going to change to red, just like blood tonic. Yes, very good for your health. Is very good for if someone have low blood. Please recommend this leaf for the person. It will help very well. You can as well use malt to take it. You can add milk if you want. It's not compulsory, it's optional. You can also take it without adding anything. It's up to you. Please don't forget to share the good news, like and subscribe turn on the post notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the very first to get it. Thank you very much for watching, and please continue watching till the end. Thank you.